Hello, everybody. Welcome to XM Live Trading Session in the beginner's room again. After a quick few minutes break, I'm back with the art of technical indicators and price action. And big hello to our YouTube friends that are watching right now our session. Uh, Previous session, we discussed price and volume connection and how we can read the price through volume, also supporting volume like volume spread analysis. Simple, basic way. We didn't get so much insight and dive into the all volume spread analysis strategies and approach. We just learned the role of the tick volume in price action and how it can be supportive, really good, confirming the breakouts, the false breakouts, the rising trends, the weakening of the momentum, and a spike in volume, like a stop volume, divergence in volume, and all this information. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a little bit about volume and price action. Now we still continue with price action and indicators. Volume is an indicator, so we did enter an exit strategy with volume and price action. We will continue discussing the technical indicators. We can also use volume with price action, absolutely same way, but adding more onto that. I just didn't answer one question in detail, which I want to answer. It's for Dell. Which question was, let me read it again. As a price action trader, I believe that price can show me everything that the volume indicator can do. By just looking at the candles, is that not true, Juni? Yes, it's true. At the same time, not so much. Okay, I cannot say not, it's not true, or yes, fully true. It's somewhere, the answer is somewhere in between, in the middle. Why? I'm opening immediately to give an example. The real market chart, let's say euro or any market, or S&P maybe if you want. You bring me the instrument that you want me to check quickly, or sterling, Canadian dollar, whatever. Yes, it was asking. Let's add volume. Okay. Sometimes shooting star that we know as a reversal, it's not getting confirmed by the volume. It's not working. Well, if we were following the volume confirmation, we would not take a sell on the shooting star. But like this one, it's not getting confirmed by the volume. Yes, as a price sentiment works for short term, but it's not changing the trend here. This one is not also like this bullish candle. This one is not changing also much here at that particular moment. This one here changes everything. This is crazy drop. This is news drop. Like basically, it was not prepared by presidents. This is from last year, 26th, 16th of February. I don't think December. I don't exactly remember what was this reason. I think Fed discussion, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not exactly sure what caused that. I forgot. But this was massive volume supported trend. So far we see everything with candlesticks, but not absolutely every time, guys. Not absolutely every time. We can have confirmation. For example, for example, do we have some example? We have some high volume here with this doji, which is not bullish here, but as a price action trader, I will do nothing here. I'll just wait. So I'm not taking action. This here suggests after this false breakout, this spike, and rising slight volume here could continue the trend, but the next candles didn't support. So this here says that as per the current price action, this here is inertia. It's not really supported by the real price action, by a lot of buyers, let's say, as a new strong trend. It is just rising, and we can have this kind of pullback again with stop volume and continue rising. Yes, if you are good enough with price action, you can read this one that all candles are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So in that sense, price action gives everything. But in some cases, price action cannot see the false breakout. Like example giving, if I start looking at this, we will go through instruments, and if I see somewhere, I will definitely give you the example, but let me explain it first. You have consolidation or some resistance level here, and price basically comes and breaks it out like this. It's a nice bullish breakout, but there is no volume. You just don't look at volume. You see a very nice breakout, fully filled big candle. And this to you mean, based on price action knowledge, that this is a great breakout because the candle volume is big, candle is fully filled and big. Strong candles, usually it's a buy signal. If so, you buy, we place stop below the candle low or below the range low. Depends if you are a conservative trader, and so you can basically place wider stop loss if you are using this as a moment when the massive capital inflow comes and price breaks thanks to the strong momentum. Then of course there is logic that you place stop loss here. Expectations are based on this price action that the price is going to rise, but it drops the next session and hits your stop loss. Your reaction is big candle, but it didn't work. It's part of the game. It happens to the best. No problem. It's a false breakout now. But if you were opening the chart of volume ticks, you see that there is no supportive volume behind this one. It's not good for buying. Additional support, additional confirmation needed. So this doesn't say that it's going to drop 100%. But if you want to buy, it says additional support, additional information needed, like next candle to continue with high volume, for example. So then, yes, we go. Because we will call this breakout low liquidity, no sellers, only buyers, small buyers breakout with no liquidity from the sellers. And the next volume, more buyers joined. So yeah, okay, fine. We need more a bit more information. That happens quite often, by the way. Many stop losses on the breakouts. That's why many traders don't like to trade breakouts, because often market turns to have a false breakout. That mostly happens on currency pairs, because currency pairs are not having one direction only. Most of them, let's say this is a massive bearish trend, but this massive bearish trend had a lot of bullish and bearish trends in between. Just the long-term underlying fundamentals was always bearish since 2008-9 financial crisis. So this is actually a trend because it's a year, like 2017 January, 2018. This is 1 year of a bullish trend, okay? 1 year of a bullish trend. So in between, you have a lot of bullish and bearish trends, which makes it great. You don't have this so much on the stock market, or especially on the indices. That's why maybe it's better to look at the price examples. But both have pros and cons. I know very good price action traders that they cannot trade without volume. They cannot take decisions without. They really feel great with volume. And I know a lot of traders that volume confuses them additionally, and they only stick to the pure price action. And they say, even if I have stop loss that I can avoid with volume, I don't like to use volume because I just go with my back testing, forward testing, long-term statistics, and I feel more confident. And I don't have problem to have stop loss on those moments because price is giving me new ideas and new information. But let's open the volume right now just to show that. But this is not um, rejecting your theory that price is enough. For you, it might be enough. I say that's why, yes, you are correct. And no, sometimes volume can be a great friend when price cannot predict some of the moves, like strong ping bar as reversal and not reversing. Breakout, actually, it's not supported by volume, not supported by real capital inflow. Looks great breakout, but it's not, and it's a false breakout. Zooming in, look at, we have this one. I said Forex, and immediately I'm opening major and I find it. This is I think I fell into a trap here because I didn't use volume during that session. And the volume was here. Trend continuation of volume. Trend rising, a little pullback and massive jump with bullish rejection and bullish volume came. It's very strong by a signal, by the volume indicator. By price action trader, depends on how do you look the price action, because number one, you can connect this as a triangle or trend line. Breakout, retest, high volume at the support, it's great for longs. The other price action trader will say this is resistance. And the shooting star, it's actually the latest event. This is just fluctuation. Shooting star didn't, this is a great shooting star, by the way, by the book. Nothing here. High volume, rising volume, but absolutely nothing. Short-term move, and we don't have stop volume here on the shooting star. And it's not pushing it down for a bearish trend. Here, it's neutral candle at resistance, but with massive volume. And it's a bullish with bullish rejection, strong buy signal. You don't see this in the price action. This is big aggressive entries are here. Conservative entries are here. I think we traded those. And none of this actually gets support. Here, you see this? It's no support from the volume. This is getting support from volume. And it works to the previous level of resistance. So you have take profit here. But look at this, declining in volume here. And actually, the spike, you have evening star with supported bullish volume. The neutral candle is not supported, bullish candle supported. No, actually, even this is not supported. This signal, sorry, this signal is not, it's telling you that it's fake. I mean, fake means that there is no huge capital inflow to push it for a higher highs. Yes, definitely there will be some maybe to move for a short term. And in order to evaluate this, we need to go for lower time frame to see how the volume is deals there. But this is short term, not supported volume buy signal. And supported volume, slight volume come here, that price jumped to the resistance. And after that, it decreased. Volume moved up again on the bearish close here, which is confirming this bearish evening star. And the trend was slow. And these big candles basically rose the volume. Look at this massive bearish candle with huge volume here. And we don't have strong supportive volume. So, which based on the volume information, it might not be so strong new trend. It just could be a short-term retracement, which based on price action is clear. Bullish divergence, not strong signals, rising, previous level of support to resistance, quite possible, and then we can have sell-off. This is the scenario. But yeah, so also from top to the bottom, from here, volume is decreasing slightly with the trend decreasing, and probably we don't have enough bearish supporters, but still they're high. So let's see. I mean, yeah, these breakouts often we might not get confirmed by volume. Also, this one, it's not getting confirmed. Please look at dollar Swiss franc, says Daniel. What are you doing with those analysis, Daniel? Can you share a little bit more? Are you trading or do you have trades? I am looking at dollar Swiss, but what do you need as an information? Because only looking, it's a clear, many times we've discussed this resistance, that it could be if you don't sell here, then where? And it worked for very short term, but I'm not sure. Probably that's going to be my idea. Okay. Probably that's going to be my idea. Pure price action wise, squeezing the bearish trend here, three drives pattern, and start swinging. If price breaks up with supportive volume, because we have technical indicators and price action, then I'll be interested to watch for longs. Do I expect dollar to be bullish? Yes and no, depends on government and the central bank a lot this time, because government needs a bearish dollar, weak dollar, in order to have more exports and stabilize the economy. At the same time, the approach they have right now with blamings and so may scare the market participants and dollar can get strong. If it goes up, I expect general dollar weakness. I just don't know how the Swiss franc will take that because Swiss franc is also looking to get weaker. Their central bank is not happy with strong Swissy, and they'll weaken it with manipulations. So we'll see how it's going to work.